Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video. So in today's video we are doing an empty house tour. So this is actually um what I would say one compartment, right? uh and it has in um one, two, three, four, five canals, right? um this is how it looks when it has in no plants. As you can see, these are the cards, nylon cards, very sturdy, um, stronger than the what we call them, the polytwine cards. Polytwine cards maybe can give you, they maybe can last for maybe a year, maybe, yeah, can last for a year and then you have to pull them down. These can last longer than a year, right? So these are what we use to trellis, to tie up the cucumbers, keep them vertical. And as you can see in the middle here, there is a plastic, right? A plastic ground cover, which is to suppress weed growth, right? um, we all know that white plastic basically reflects light. So yeah, as you can see, this is the gravel, right? The gravel in it. um, and on the sides there is antiviral mesh. I think this antiviral mesh is 70%. Obviously the higher the percentage, the smaller the holes, right? And these block out white flies and other insects. Let us look right here. Right here is the, so this is basically the bottom of the canal. So right there we have maybe about 1 feet, maybe about 1 feet. The height of the canal is like about 1 feet, it looks to me. And as you can see, this is the pipe that the water comes from the main tank and floods the canal, right? uh, this is basically filter, the filter and the pipeline filter the water, right? And then when you look in the roof, you see the roof, that plastic is damaged. The roof, you have the black mesh, which when the intensity of the sun gets too high, basically pull across the black mesh to kind of reduce the intensity, right? As I said, the temperature can get very high, so we have to know what to do to help to reduce the temperature and the intensity of the sunlight. And obviously these gravel will be sterilized before it is used. So what happens is that the gravel is basically, it can be sterilized in the canal. As I showed you up there, that is where the water comes out and full the canal. So you fill the canal with whatever chemical to sterilize the gravel, and then this is basically the return pipe that goes back to the main tank. So what happens is that it is pulled off from the return pipe. So when you sterilize the gravel, you basically just run out the water, right? And then it wouldn't go back into the main tank. So that is how the gravel is sterilized. And then of course you can take out the gravel if you want, if it poses any threat to your main tank, like any water getting back to your main tank. Take it out, put it somewhere and sterilize it basically. So this is an empty house tour. And oh, the mesh is like maybe about 48 to 50% mesh, the black mesh shade cloth, yeah, between 48 to 50%, right? Yeah, so that's it basically. And I should show you what is used to connect the vine to these cards. This is what is used. These are commonly called tomato clip, right? But it is not only used for tomato, so now it is being used for cucumber, and it is very convenient, very strong, right, and very durable, right. So these are basically what is clipped on to the vine and to the cord, right. Let me just show you one example in a whole patch of cucumber. So this is it right here. So as you can see, this is the cucumber clip, right, cucumber clip. The clip inside part of it is the cord is placed in it, and then it is closed up, and then you put the clip around the vine, and then the clip itself cannot go up or down, so it holds the vine in place. So that's it. I hope this video was informative to you. If you have any questions, any comments, please put them in the comments area. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.